So we're on the way to the Cottage right now, up north, and you know, it's the first time in a while. Last time we went up was the summertime, and actually I did vlog in the summertime when I was there. And we were on the boat ripping, doing some tube rips. You know, that was good times as well. And this time we're gonna go fucking ice fishing. Except
I don't know if we're gonna go ice fishing.
Except yeah, we're not gonna do that. We're gonna just
we don't have an auger.
We're
not getting through the ice.
We're not getting a what?
You need an auger.
What the fuck's an auger?
It's like a drill, like drills into the ice.
Oh wow, like a legit jackhammer.
No, it's like a.
Oh right.
Corkscrew.
Nice. Well, either way, we'll do a quick lake dipsy. Anyways.
We're definitely not gonna be able to get into the ice. I don't think you understand how thick the ice is.
It's okay. We're just gonna jump in.
Jump into ice, Neema?
Just a head dive into a block of ice.
You know what? Test that.
Don't worry, Austen. I'm gonna get into the water. Don't you worry.
A little field research.
Yeah, don't worry about that.
Chainsaw.
That's it. So that's it. We're just gonna go up there and we're gonna see what happens. Oh yeah, bud. Kill Bezo. This looks like a horror movie.
Keep that on. There might be some deer.
Oh, true. Remember last time?
Yeah, there's a lot of. We saw wolves up here.
Wolves?
Yeah, dude.
Oh fuck.
A pack.
No.
Yeah, chasing after some deer.
No way.
Yeah.
When you're driving?
No, like outside the cottage.
What the fuck?
You can see, because this is a peak, right? So they're all pushing them to the peak.
Yeah.
So they can muck them.
Fuck.
Yeah, and bring them out onto the ice.
Damn.
Once they're out in the middle, then they just... It's
Muck.
Open season.
open seas, yeah.
If we are like outside at night, what are the chances of us seeing wolves?
We've seen them twice in the last 2 times we've been up here, so...
Damn. It's pretty much we gotta
From
watch.
going to never seeing them ever to seeing them twice
Wow.
in the same, like, month.
Yeah. So pretty much we gotta watch our backs.
No.
You don't think they'll come and attack us?
No. We're humans.
Yeah, but wolves though.
Yeah, buddy.
Wolves they're wild. Austeezy! Yo, what it do, baby? What you saying? This guy mucking that.
It was a real Italian.
Ali Baresi.
Aurora.
Ooh, shout out Dad's Clothing. It's gonna be a quick tag right there. Boom. Let's get it. We got Austen Alexander. We're at the Cottage, doing a Cottage rip with the boys, my brother and I and Austen. We're just chilling, man. We're out here for a couple days. What are we doing, Austen?
Ripping wristers and banging sisters.
Woohoo! Whatever the fuck that means. We're up here. We're just gonna film some content and just have fun. Obviously, because that's what coming up north to the Cottage is for. And maybe a Nordic spa or two. Eating a lot of hearty, good meals too. A lot of good warm ones. Just over the fire, over the grill, just fire in my ass. Oh, you gotta get this pour, bro. It's canner season, bud.
And above all of this, we believe in communities.
We are Canada College, your global community college.
Kanakadogan. Look at that pour, baby girl. Look at that pour, baby girl. Wow. Hire me as a bartendy. Ha ha. Cheers.
You went into cardiogenic shock because your heart wasn't pumping adequately. We did a minor procedure and installed it.
Fuck, that's good. That's so good. I don't even like beer, but this is good. Damn. It's 9 in the morning. We're just chilling. praying some shit, and then we're gonna go do some more work. Good morning. Good morning, Austie.
What? Hey, how you doing, Joe?
Yeah, not too bad. You?
Oh, not too bad.
Good.
Head ready to head out there?
Yeah.
So no.
No. Double layering up right now to film Canadian Dads with Austen. Just wearing different double layers of clothing. It's freezing out there today, so you know we gotta layer up. We gotta get warm. Bundle up there. So just gotta double, like I said, double layer up. Got double socks. You know, it's like -20 out there right now, and we're about to brace the cold. Winter is coming, and so am I.
You doing, man?
Glavaz, gang, trying to fix these mitts. I'm putting on double mitts.
8-year-old BMX
Yeah,
biker, bro?
actually I am.
You're gonna need more than that.
Oh, buddy, I have double.
Well, the men are heading out. Do the hunting. Where's your face?
Right here.
Oh, that was cool. That's cool, like a reveal effect. What about you?
We must scavenge for winter forest.
It's cold.
Let's fucking get her.
Godspeed, gents.
All right, so we just came back from the sauna. Yo, Austen, man, we melted like hippos in that sauna, bro.
Buddy, my face is fucking cherry tomatoed.
Yeah, just straight lobsteed. You know what I mean? Lobsteed.
Lobster Williams.
Detroit Red Winged.
I'm just Carolina Reapered.
Straight St. Louis wings.
Just
Wait, I don't think that's
California loved, buddy.
California
There's no
sandwiches.
Wrong, Neema. There's no wrong. It's all right, buddy.
We shall wait until she reaches 400. At that point, we will remove the stakes and place them on this board to sit and rest.
Yes, Chef.
The time is now. The lionizers, they're getting there. I'm gonna let those rest. Ooh, daddy.
Oh, brilliant. Oh.
Brilliant. Look at the fatty motion there.
Nice juicy steak.
Just
Absolutely brilliant.
chop these onions.
Chop those fucking onions. Good. Right.
See how they just
Look at that
open
steam.
up. Wonderful.
Just brilliant. Oh, look how crispy and seasoned that is.
Cajun sweet potatoes.
Buono Prati. Mangiare. All right. It's so serene, bro. So quiet. And we just filmed a bunch of scenes for this video me and Austen are shooting. But we were gonna film some comedy stuff, but now it's turning into a movie, into an actual short film. Could be something cool like that. So Weather's crisp, man. Not like yesterday. Fucking Antarctica. Today we're in a winter wonderland. Look at this good boy. Look at that good boy.
Don't call me a good boy.
Look at that good boy.
Don't call me that.
Good boy.
No.
Fuck me. Fuck me, laddie. Just shoveling snow. Right, in Glasgow. We shovel snow every other day. We're making a Nordic spa down here. With the boys. We them boys. How's there a pitch here? Look at that. Oh shit. What the fuck?
Wolves, dog.
Yo, Bear Wolf's been here still. Woo! I'm fucking tired, B. God damn. Man's are tired, B.
I did not mean to close. I did not mean to bang on the table. I was putting back the forks.
See, I'm putting the cups back into the cupboard.
Yeah. One was just. Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Alexander. I did not mean. I did not mean to do that.
No, it's okay. Wait, I need to clean.
I will clean it.
No, I need to clean more.
Oh, hey guys! Wow, how you doing? You guys did such a great job. Are you guys enjoying your meal? This is great.
No.
well, I was.
We were just gonna be.
Wow,
going
we
to
were
clean.
actually-
No,
Please,
please,
actually,
no.
I had to
You
clean.
did
I
such
had
a
to
great
clean
job.
more.
Please sit down and enjoy your meal.
No, it's okay. I clean.
Cleaning.
No, why are you
it's okay.
cleaning?
No, I have to clean
No,
more.
we're sorry. We were clean.
No, it's okay.
No,
I
I'm
was
saying.
about to have a nice bite, and then I came
No,
back.
I'm-
And I,
Yeah,
No,
no,
I'm saying you did a good job cleaning.
It's okay. I clean more.
No, it's a good clean, but
No,
I
it's
think
good.
it
It's
just
good. I
needs to
clean.
be a
You see, I
little
clean
bit
right
more
now.
clean.
You see, I'm cleaning. No,
I
I need to go. I need to go home, but I clean first.
I haven't.
No,
been,
No,
Just-
no, it's okay.
It's okay.
No, we clean.
We will clean.
We will clean more.
But-
It's okay. We will not eat.
I don't eat.
But it's
It's my daughter's quinceañera.
yeah,
please go
my,
to your daughter's quinceañera.
No, I cannot. I have to clean.
Yeah, my dog.
but
my dog
everything
just
looks
got
great.
cancer. My
have
dog
to
has
clean.
Oh my
cancer.
goodness, that's awful.
Yeah, I have to clean.
Please
He has
go
dog
be with your
cancer.
family.
No, I have to clean first, and then I see my dog.
He has a dog friend cancer.
Yeah, he has the other
See?
quinceañera, but we always clean first.
See?
See,
Okay, just
Okay, we-
clean
okay,
30 more.
We will clean.
We clean more.
We will clean. We will clean.
I clean your.
I will clean. I will clean. I will clean.
Okay, we clean together.
We are
Okay, we are
cleaning
cleaning
together.
always
We
together.
are
We are
cleaning.
cleaning.
Clean.
Clean.
Just
Clean.
stop.
Clean.
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 Please go
It's all
home.
clean.
It's all clean.
Oh, look how
the
clean.
chair is clean.
Of course, clean.
So, bitch, who do you love?
You guys like? Hey, you guys like Kit Kats?
Yeah, I love Kit Kat.
You guys really want it?
Yeah.
Can I get a oh yeah for how bad you want it?
Oh yeah. We are leaving.
We are leaving.
We are
We
leaving.
clean. We cleaned.
We cleaned the cottage. Now we go back.
Clean.
Home.
Now we're good.
Now we have to clean more.
We go home. We will clean.
Okay. Now we clean the road. You see,
the road is
he's lots
clean.
of dirt. He's dirty, so we have to
My
clean.
car go fart. So I have to clean.
Now we have to clean.
I have to clean
the
it.
clean window.
And I will clean my carpet.
And also my wife is cheating on me with another man. What?
Where?
No.
Back there?
Fuck, I just want to get one on the vlog.
There!
No.
Yeah.
Oh,
buddy.
fuck. I don't know if I was going.
Oh, your kids are still there. They're gonna run away.
You pet a deer?
Yeah, at the apple orchard, fucking Chudley's.
What?
They have deer. They'll eat out of your hand.
No.
Yeah.
I thought deer were wild. Like you couldn't even get close to them.
You can fucking domesticate any animal realistically. They have lions in cages now.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Pretty sure you can pet a deer. You can
Oh
pet a
fuck!
lion.
Right there.
See one?
Oh wait, that's a lynx, bro.
Where? Fuck off.
No, I swear to God, that's not a deer. That's a lynx.
Where?
It's a cat. Go back. Go back. Yo.
There's no way there's a
Yeah, man. Look, it's right there. You see that shit?
Where?
Right there, man.
Man, you saying right there is not telling me
Right
where.
there, right there, right there. Where are you, buddy?
Oh yeah, that's a deer.
Is it?
You look like a fucking thing.
I know what you mean.
Wait,
like a little
where?
ear.
I can't see it on the camera.